Hello, doctor and parent. This is Vishnu Kansing. Welcome, sir, in Admission Media. Today, we will be discussing about the latest update on NEET PG 23 counseling. A latest notification or the application form has been opened for the Gujarat State Counseling, and the registration is started from 23rd of June and will be around 30th of June. And the document verification is after that. Gujarat is already a closed state. Only those people who has did their MBBS from there, that is UG from there, or domicile of Gujarat, or did 10th or 12th from the Gujarat. Only these people will be eligible for this counseling. Not all India can participate in this. I mean, it's a state counseling. Registration form has been opened. So you don't have to panic. The registration is only open. The counseling round or the choice filling round done only after the All India round 1 of counseling. It's a rule. Second thing, this notification has clearly cleared that there won't be any common counseling for UG, or max probably it won't be for PG. I mean, for PG there is no common counseling. Mostly chances is there that for UG even there won't be any common counseling. So the rumors has been stopped. Second big point, if you're going for NRI seat in Gujarat, then you have to be a real NRI. Means either your parents, I mean your mother or father, has to be NRI, then only you can take the NRI seats in Gujarat. Otherwise, you won't be applicable for the NRI seats in Gujarat. Third big point, which is the notification which clears, is that there is not gonna counseling. I mean, your all India counseling is not gonna happen in August. Multiple people which were claiming since the beginning the counseling will be in August, it's not gonna happen. Counseling will be in July, and the hectic schedule will be seen in this PG NEET PG 23 counseling. And it is expected, even in my previous video I have already mentioned that it is expected your counseling schedule can be published anytime soon. And the Gujarat state has published their schedule right now. If you are a domicile of candidate, if you are a domicile or did UG from there, you can apply it. For more details as well as the NEET PG 23 counseling will be somewhere around July itself, in near about 15th of July, which were claimed by us since the beginning. So if you're looking for a paid counseling guidance or a management seat or NRI seat in all over India as per your rank or as per the revised cutoff, even after eligibility in revised cutoff, then you can proceed with us. For paid counseling guidance, you can visit our website admissionmedia.in. Thank you so much for watching this video.